guys, it's Emily here. Today I'm going to do the Inspired Makeup by Selena in her video, A Year Without Rain. It's a very nice one. So I'm just going to do it very quickly, but hold on. First, then moisturize your face. This is MAC 05 Face Moisturizer. That'll do. Okay. Now, use this black color by Gigio. It's 12. It's waterproof. So it's got to do. Look at this freaky. Just do it on the edge of your eye. Right there. Yep. After you do it in your eye, you might look a little bit freaky. And then next step, I'm going to use this color for the top eye. It's by Hard Candy, and it's the second by Old Skull, made in Beverly Hills. It's a very nice color, and it's available for top eye. It's not shiny. It's pretty nice, but it's a nice color. Next, she has like really nice color in her eyes. I'm going to use this one, the second one, that one, right there, that one. Again for my top eye. Just blend it in. Then you'll look like that. And then I'm going to use this. It's a blunt color, like very strong color, a blunt color, yeah. That one right there. For the very top, right above there. Yep. Right beneath your eyelashes. Next, I'm going to use a very dark color, but not black, because we use black in the edges. I'm going to use that one. For the very bottom of my eye, right above there. Spare it out. It's fun to do this. She has a really nice format in her video. It's really cool. I like it. That's why I did it. Do that. After that, it's your ring finger. Do that. Spread it. So it can mix together. After you do that, pack it up because you don't need this anymore. Next, what you gotta do, after you moisturize your face, it's time for your lip. Now, she has a really nice color for it. Now I'm going to use this to hide it right there. And then a very light pink. Use that one. Right there. It's a very nice colorful pink. I found him. Yes. We speak Italian in our room, so. So that color is really colorful. It looks a bit like it. Next, again, back to eye. Eyeliner. Important. And nice. So, use that. For the top eye, you can use it. You can use it as an eyeliner. I use liquid eyeliners, I think. Bother me. I have one. Spread it out. Spread it out. Actually, let me use this very thin brush. Very, very thin. Very, very mushy. There we go. Last step. If I can find my material. There we go. It's from Roma. It's a very like peachy color. It's not that peachy, but it's nice. Spread around your cheek, right there. There we go. So, for your last touch, mix that color and that color together to do that. Between your eyes, yes, and then set it with that. The peachy color and the dark color. How's that? Let's turn that fine. Thank you for watching. I love Selena Gomez. Bye. Love y'all.